A very sweet good morning, my dear Patines. Welcome in S.St class. Children, chapter number 9, Forests and Wildlife of India. Reading part completed and exercises part that is also completed. And today we are going to do question answers. There are total 7 question answers and today we have to do only 1 to 4. Okay? Read question number 1. Define natural vegetation. You have to define natural vegetation. What is that? As the name indicates, नाम ही बता रहा है natural, जो naturally grow होते हैं, उसमें human efforts नहीं होते हैं. Okay? So, plants that grow naturally. Answer number 1, you have to write plants that grow naturally. Without human efforts. Okay. Without human efforts are called natural vegetation. And you can write the examples. For example, sal, bamboo, etc. So it is clear, means plants that grow naturally without human efforts are called natural vegetation. Next is question number 2. What are evergreen trees? Oh, same. First से question बता रहा है evergreen, जो हमेशा green रहते हैं. Okay, so that are called evergreen trees. Okay, so trees of tropical forest. So you have to write answer. Answer number 2. Trees of tropical forest. Trees of tropical forest which do not shed their leaves, which do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Throughout the year, right? जो always green रहते हैं और अपनी which do not shed their leaves throughout the year are called evergreen trees. Okay, are called evergreen trees. So it is clear, means trees of tropical forest which do not shed their leaves throughout the year are called evergreen trees. Okay, children. So now read question number 3. Name the places where deciduous forests are found. So simple, you have to write the names of the places. Okay, so answer number 3. Answer number 3. Name the places where deciduous forests are found. Deciduous forests are mostly found on the slopes of the Himalayas. On the slopes of the Himalayas, the northeastern states eastern States and the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. So clear? Now, question number 4. Write a note on desert plants. You have to write a short note on desert plants. Okay? As you know that desert plants have thorns. These are very small, no leaves. Okay? And we'll write plants that have adapted. Plants that have adapted to live in the dry and hot conditions. To live in the dry and hot conditions of the desert are called desert plants. Right? These plants have thorns, small or no leaves, and low water requirements. Okay, children, and you can add your own line also and this. Okay, and you can write also that they are having long roots. Okay, that's all, children. You have to write all these questions, question number 1 to 4, and your fair notebook and in very good handwriting. Okay, and now we'll do one worksheet from workbook. You just see from workbook. Okay, we'll do worksheet number 1, Forest and Wildlife of India. It's very small worksheet. You have to just match with the forest, names of the forest. Okay, and you have to write these 3 answers, nothing else. Okay, so let's start. Worksheet number 1. Okay, here are few pictures and you have to match with the pictures, names of the forest. First is rainforest. Here you can see it is rainforest, monsoon forest, okay, thorn forest, mountain forest. These are mountain forest and tidal forest. Okay, so that's all. What is the term used for the plants that grow naturally without human efforts? Without human efforts. That is called natural vegetation. So you have to write number 1, natural vegetation. Number 2. What is the name given for the marshy forest found in the delta of Ganga? Delta of Ganga, marshy forest, that is Sundarbans. Number 3. Which help to maintain the shoreline? That are mangrove forests. So you have to write mangrove. So shoreline क्या होता है? Where the body of water and shore meet. Shore, the land at the edge of the sea or lake. Okay, that is shoreline, right? Next is identify the flower. Here you can see a flower. Okay, you just identify. You just write the name. That is juniper berries. So answer is juniper berries. And you know, these berries are high in nutrients. Okay, so these are good for health. Okay, children. So that's all. It's a very small worksheet, beta. You have to do in the book. Okay, and remaining 3 questions we'll do tomorrow. Okay, question number 5, 6, and 7, and one more worksheet. Okay, children. Bye bye.